Hello everybody, how are you all? Hope everyone will be in happy mood with their families. Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we brought something special for you. We will share creative and inspiring tip for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet trending sweaters. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design for your crocheting. First of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also so that you can find all new video notifications. Crocheting a sweater or wearing one comes with numerous benefits that extend beyond just the aesthetic. Here are some advantages we would like to discuss with you. First and the main one is creativity boost. Crocheting a sweater allows you to express your creativity by choosing patterns, colors, and designs that reflect your personal style. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a crocheted sweater from start to finish gives you a sense of achievement and satisfaction, knowing you crafted something with your own hands. Custom fit. When you crochet your own sweater, you can tailor it to fit your exact measurements, making it a perfect fit for your body. Stress relief. The repetitive motion of crocheting can be meditative, helping to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Handmade sustainable fashion. Crocheting your own clothes is an eco-friendly option, reducing your carbon footprint and supporting sustainable fashion by avoiding mass-produced fast fashion items. Therapeutic benefits. Crocheting has been shown to have therapeutic effects such as improving focus, easing anxiety, and providing a mental break from daily life. Learning a new skill. Crocheting is a valuable skill that can be used to create various garments, accessories, and home decor. Mastering this skill can be empowering and rewarding. Improve focus and concentrations. Crocheting requires attention to detail, which can help improve focus and concentrations over time. Cost-effective fashion. Crocheting a sweater can be more affordable than buying high-end handmade garments, especially if you already have some yarn and tools on hand. Thank you very much for watching our videos.